Hi, I'm Glenn Vitale with Steeda Autosports, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about some of the mods we did to our red 2018 HPDE Mustang. HPD stands for High Performance Driving, and this car sees quite a bit of track time on the local tracks here in South Florida. One of the things about South Florida is the extreme heat that we see, and this car generates a lot of heat. If you remember from some of the previous videos we did, we added some Cook's headers to help lower the head temperature. Well, now we're adding a C&R Aluminum Radiator to help lower the water temperature. Now this radiator does add a little extra weight to the front of the car, which generally we don't like, but it's going to give us the ability to stay out on the track during these hot summer days for the full 20 or 25-minute sessions that a typical track day has for your group. When you're out there, a lot of times you'll see temperatures rise to as much as 230 degrees water temp, and that's a bad thing. You don't like that for performance reasons, and you don't like that for longevity reasons of your motor. So a combination of both the long tube headers, which also adds horsepower, and who doesn't like horsepower, and also this aluminum radiator from C&R will keep this car on the track for the full 20-25 minute sessions, which is what we want to do. As a driver, it's important because you can focus on your driving rather than having to worry about overheating the motor, or worse yet, the motor pulling time because it's running too hot. So by allowing the car to stay cooler, the driver can stay cooler and keep going hard.
We're going to remove the 8 push pins that hold this cover on. Just get a little screwdriver, something, pry this out, bring it up. That's pretty much what you're doing. There's 8 of them. And remove the cover. We're going to be replacing this radiator. Stock radiator wouldn't have this, but that's not a big deal. Okay, I'm going to use a 10mm socket and remove the brackets. Now I'm going to take the drain plug out, drain the coolant out of the radiator. Alright, I gotta unplug the electrical. I'm gonna take all this out of the way to give me a little bit more room to work, you know what I mean? What happens is that the rubber hoses, they actually get kind of glued onto the, you just gotta, once you break them loose, it should come off okay. Okay. I think it's coming out. Right now I'm putting the bottom radiator hose on. Yes. All right, that's working there. All right. Yep. Right in the brackets. Okay, most importantly, don't forget to reconnect the fans to the wiring harness. That's right here. All right, fans on. The bottom radiator hose is on. Fans are connected. Going to do the top radiator hose right now. All right. All right, now I'm going to put the cold air back all together. One, two, three. Tight.
So be sure to keep following us, because there's more news coming from this car, as we'll also be entering it in some NASA time trial events coming up. And there'll be a lot more R&D coming out from this car that we'll be sharing with you guys later on.